guys, welcome back to my channel with another video. In this video, I will discuss the latest job vacancy that's come from Vistara Airlines that you have already seen in my thumbnail. So in this channel, you can get all latest information that's coming from DGC or the latest vacancies come from airlines or aviation. So see this full video, like, share, subscribe and be a part of Fly with Swarnabha. So guys, first I can tell that all the job vacancies that I have discussed in this channel, all are real and accurate, not fake, because first we can check from the website and then I will discuss. Previously, I also tell all of the aviationers that many of vacancies come from MRO, Vistara, Indigo, SpiceJet. So all the vacancies I will upload it in my channel. So if you are interesting, you can press the bell icon so you can get all the notification fast. So today's vacancy, whatever you can see in my thumbnail, that is junior technician, senior technician and executive, and that's come from Tata Airlines Vistara. So first we will discuss one by one, and the first one is junior aircraft maintenance technician, and this job post come 17th February 2021. Company, that's why I tell Tata Airlines Vistara. Location is Bengaluru. Location Bengaluru. So what is your responsibility if we have applied for this job vacancy? So first one, should always maintain the personal toolbox. Number two, shall be fully aware and defueling and fueling. मतलब fueling and defueling के टाइम आपको पूरा aware होना होगा, ठीक है, मतलब fueling और defueling करना आपका काम होगा. And now come to the work experience. Work experience is minimum 1 year of work experience in aviation industry. Means आपको 1 साल का aviation industry में आपको experience होना चाहिए. Okay. And finally the qualification, and that is very good news for all the AME students who are just demotivated due to COVID-19. So here all the posts come that's only for AME students only, and they tell 3 years DGC approved course in aircraft maintenance engineering course. So slowly the AME field is growing up, and many of vacancies coming for only for AME students, means aircraft maintenance engineering students. So all the students who are going demotivated due to COVID-19, don't lose your hope, give up, because many of vacancies come in future, and according to our source MRO, Indigo, SpiceJet, Vista, many of vacancies come, and they are prepared their list. So all the videos or all the information if I can get, I will first make that video for you. So now come to the next job vacancy, that is senior aircraft maintenance technician, and this job vacancy come in 14th February 2021. Location is Delhi. Company is Tata Airlines Vistara. Key responsibility means what's your responsibility at the time of senior technician. That is responsible for aircraft certification in B1 trade and responsible for structural damage. कोई structural damage हो जाए तो उसके लिए आपको responsible होना है. Skills, that's a good very important point here, that is a good communication skill who are applied for this job, and good standard of computer literacy. Experience, minimum 8 years of experience of 3 years of certifying experience as AME. means आपका जो AME field का 3 years का तो experience होना ही चाहिए, और minimum 5 years field experience होना चाहिए. So total 8 experience, 8 years का experience they want. Okay. And according to our second point, that is must have CR66 type rating B1 license, and that will be given by Boeing 777 A320 that is fitted with CFM56 engine, or the IAE 2500 or CFM LEAP A1 jet engine. ठीक है. So that is for senior aircraft maintenance technician, and who have the field experience 8 years or more, you can apply, you can really get this job. And the another one is executive, and that is also coming from Vistara Tata Airlines, and they also want the students who have completed successfully their 3 years AME course in aviation field and also have 3 or more year experience. So you have applied for this job. If you have if you want many of information, I also provide a link below the description. You can see, and you can, after successfully seeing your about that, you can get apply options. You can just apply for this job. You can send your resume. After successfully submit your job, you can get a mail in your email ID whichever you are given. Okay, and they take some 1 month, and 1 month or 20 days. And between this they will call you and come, just call you for an interview. You can go and give that interview, and you successfully get this job. So if you really think this video is useful and very useful, and I make this video and that is very good for you and also, so please support us, like, share and subscribe, and also please share with your friends who are just finding this job or lost his job due to COVID-19. So another day will come back with another job vacancies. So please support us, like, share, subscribe, and be a part of Fly with Swarnabha.